Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is May the 25th, 2022. We're going to talk about Meta platforms today, FB stock, Facebook stock, to see why this stock is not a buy. Yeah, I know many of y'all have seen a lot of videos on YouTube. Just because the price in Meta falls drastically doesn't mean that now is a buying opportunity. The market wants you to believe that so that they can create a space to those individuals who's trying to sell their positions. Okay, so I want you all to see this from the viewpoint of the price chart and the price chart only. Don't be reliant upon analysts. Don't be reliant upon other YouTubers who utilize fundamental analysis, who utilizes discount cash flow model, who try to get you to pay attention to things outside of your control. The price chart literally is the truth. And I'm one of the biggest advocates that you don't need to do anything else outside of paying attention to the price. The connecting point between all the events that occurs in the economy, that occurs within the business, it's connected to a price. Now, whatever gets people to act on buying or selling a stock, it is irrelevant. It doesn't matter. If you're going to buy Meta platforms because you think the metaverse for that particular business is going to be massive, okay, cool. I get it. But your record of you buying that stock is recorded on the price chart. Whether you're the individual who said, I'm going to sell Meta stock now at this price, whether it's because you needed the money to, go fund your retirement or go on vacation, it is still recorded. So whatever brings you to act on buying or selling a stock, it doesn't matter. I want people to understand that and see that for what it is. The only thing that matters is, can we see it on a chart? And most definitely, we can see your trades on the price chart. That is why I focus only on the price, and everyone out here is running around rampant trying to figure out why is the price going down. Well, because there's more people selling it than there are people trying to buy it. Let's keep it real. Let's keep it a buck. So we need to be forecasters, and in order for us to predict price move, we got to come and look at what price has already done. So I wanted to come in today and show you all why Facebook or Meta platforms can continue to go down. Check this out. I did a video. First of all, if y'all appreciate my videos, my content, like I always say in my videos, go ahead and hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. You're not going to get this content anywhere else. Nobody else is out here documenting their predictions. Yeah, they'll come in and do their fundamental analysis, their discount cash flow, tell you all to come in and buy the stock now and hold it for the next 15,000 years and come back and see where price is. I get it. But tell me what is your price target over the next 15,000 years? If you want me to hold this stock for the next 15,000 years, tell me where in the world do you think the price is going to be then? They won't do that. That is why they give you some vague, broad time frame that they want you to hold. Check this out. I did a video. Let me zoom in on this chart. I did a video right here on May the 4th, and I was looking for the price in Meta to go up, right? I was telling you all then, don't be massively bullish in Meta. Don't do it. Don't do it. Go back and listen to it. It's still available. I'm here documenting and showing you the result of what I talked about on May the 4th. And I told you that I had two price targets, right? And the only time we had the opportunity to come in and bag the profitability was on May the 4th, when the market closed above my first price target, which was $220 right there. We only had that one day, May the 4th, for us to get 5% out. That was it. See, that's why I want you all to understand that we don't dictate how long market's going to trade at certain price levels. Once it hits that objective, you take the bag, you take the profitability and you move. So hopefully you was able to skim out some profitability at 220 in Facebook or Meta on the day that I did the video. Because if you didn't see my video, if you saw the video after May the 4th, then yeah, you didn't get it. And if I'm still looking for the price to go down, then maybe you want to cut the play now, because if you don't, your losses may increase. 14.5% right now. Let me get rid of it because I want to show you something else. Okay. Now, as I zoom out of this price chart, I want you all to understand that the price chart is the truth. Okay. And the market was trading all the way back since 2013, 9 years ago, right? 9 years ago, Facebook has been going up 9 years. This is what these other YouTubers are talking about, where they want you to come in and hold the stock for the long term, because this is the type of price action you expect to see. The slow, methodical trend movement higher. This is what you want to see when these YouTubers tell you all to come in and hold the stock for the long term. Every market is not going to act like this though, right? Every market is not going to do that. And what we're getting currently in the stock market is definitely reflecting that it's broken, to where you don't want to expect that you're going to get the same type of price action going forward right now. So I want you all to see that Meta or Facebook, it was continuing its confirmation of holding the trend, right? Now we're at this point again. If the market truly found that the price in Meta or Facebook was attractive at 180, we would have seen the price stay elevated. We would not have seen the market come down so fast back down at $180. We would not have seen that. But we're seeing it right now because there's still a lot of uncertainty. The market buyers still feel that that $180 price, it may not be strong right now. It may not be attractive as what it was back here in September 2019, right? I really want everyone to pay attention to price and Meta breaking this ascending line. And as we continue to see the market in the long term, let me show you, okay, that by us not seeing confirmational buying from the market here during this whole time frame, it tells me that the market is not buying the stock at 180. They're not believing that the market is a buy there. So look at this, 190. I want to see price in Meta trade above, if anything, $190, preferably $200. If I see buyers take out $190 to $200 to the upside, then we can say, hey, hold on, okay, the buyers may actually be stepping in and supporting Meta's price. But until such time, we need to contemplate and think about the price in Meta breaking $180 to the downside. Now, take a look at this, all right? A lot of stocks have done these climactic movement lower. Are we done with that in Meta? You guys can see right here on the week of January 31st, 2022, the market fell 21%. Could it be like another Netflix to where we'll see market continually fall? Look at this movement in Netflix. We're massively seeing the documentation of people taking out their profits. But you got YouTubers out here telling you to come in and buy it now. Look at Walmart. Like, we're seeing these massive drops, and mainstream media is not picking up on this. You know, they want to try to make it seem as everything is copacetic, everything is calm, everything is cool. But obviously, the market thinks differently. And the mainstream media, whether it's Fox Business, CNBC, Yahoo Finance, they are not telling us exactly what's going on in the market. Look at that. That's Walmart. This is Costco. Massive downtrend going on right now. Target. Look at that. Snapchat. Look at that. So now, the weakness here in the market in Meta is still there. And until I see the market buyers take out that $200 price, we have to contemplate, like I said earlier, and expect the market to continue to fall. Now I'm looking at 160. Okay, that $160 price, even 170 will be those next levels. Okay, I don't think the downside movement is done in Meta. Look at that. In the next 6 days and 9 hours, look at that monthly price chart. Look at that. That's weakness. If we don't see the market reclaim $200, I'm going to continue to play the weeks to the downside, and we're going to break that trend. this 9-year trend is going to be broken in Meta. So I'm here to document and give you all a heads up as to what to expect. Okay. Be careful of listening to people who tries to get you information to confirm that a market is a buy. They think just because the stock fell 40, 50, 60, 70% that now it must be attractive. No, the market is just finding fair value. The whole time that Meta or a lot of these other conglomerate businesses was trading high was because it was overextended. And now it's going to come back down to a price that is reasonable to where it can trade. Okay, so I said at 200 is that level. So as long as Meta trades below 200, we're going to continue to play the weakness into the market. I'm going to bring it up there to 205, 207. Now, that first price target, like I said, is at 170. Okay, that's only 5.75% profitability, but I really like the market down there around 160. So definitely look for us to try to play the market going down to 160 in Meta. All right. So let me get rid of this. I am expecting that the price is going to break this 9-year trend. I am looking forward to the market doing that. Okay. So let me bring this over just a tad. And we're going to continue to follow price in Meta. All right. So now I'm in position. You guys can see it right here. That we're going to play the weakness into the market in Meta. Still looking for the fall. 170, 160 originally. But when you look at this, let me show you all the 5-month time frame. Don't be surprised if the market doesn't even hold 160. Look at that. Look at that. This one 5-monthly price bar, just one, literally has taken out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 monthly price bars. We are now seeing the price in Meta trade at levels that we haven't seen since January of 2020. So 2 years of price movement higher in Facebook or Meta is completely wiped out in one 5-month time frame. One. This is a glaring sign as what's possibly to come. All right. Let's see what happens though. Now go ahead and drop me your price prediction, your price target into the market in Meta, and let everyone know where you think the price is headed. All right. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.